MTD Network 60-second engineer. So name.
Paul Beckson.
Company.
PowerKut.
Location.
Coventry.
Industries.
Aerospace, automotive, nuclear.
Materials.
Magnesium, titanium, Inconel, steel.
Okay. Machining. What types?
Milling, turning, grinding.
Okay, and I'd like an example of each of those machines, please.
VTC 800 on the milling. On the turning, you've got the Doosan 400 Puma.
And the grinding?
Studer S31.
Oh, that's your pièce de résistance. Now, I want to put you to the test. Let's showcase a couple of your components, shall we?
So this is one of the parts we did on the Mazak VTC 800. It's a very complicated and very time-consuming part.
Yeah. So aluminium, aerospace, I'm thinking?
Yes, aerospace, aluminium. Huge billet, very heavy, ends up very light.
Fantastic piece. But that's a big component, and we talked about big machines, but you've also got smaller components you want to showcase.
So this is a part we manufacture in-house here. From the turning of the part, to the milling of all the engraving, to the centerless grinding of the pin, from a big part like this, to a little part like this.
Excellent.
These are for measuring holes, the diameter of it.
Excellent. So great examples of what you do at PowerKut. Paul, thank you very much.
Thank you very much.